Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome to this live video tutorial on making a delicious chocolate cake. Today, I'll be taking you through the step-by-step process of making a moist and fluffy chocolate cake that's sure to impress your friends and family. So let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of buttermilk, ½ cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of hot water. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease 2 9-inch round cake pans with butter or cooking spray. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt until well combined. 3. In a separate bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla extract until smooth. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing well after each addition until the batter is smooth and free of lumps. Add the hot water to the batter and stir until well combined. The batter will be thin, but don't worry, that's normal. 6. Divide the batter equally between the prepared cake pans and smooth out the surface with a spatula. Bake the cakes in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Remove the cakes from the oven and let them cool in the pans for 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once the cakes have cooled completely, you can frost them with your favorite frosting and decorate them as desired. Conclusion. And there you have it, a delicious and moist chocolate cake that's sure to impress your guests. I hope you enjoyed following along with this live video tutorial and that you give this recipe a try at home. Happy baking! Don't forget to subscribe.